Hi, my name is Jason Keenan. I'm a biologist with Mississippi NRCS. Came to talk to you today about native grasses. Behind us, what you'll see is a bunch of native flowers that have been planted for pollinator habitat and for insect production for small birds. To the right that you'll see here, we actually have a stand of native grasses. Mostly this is broom sedge, but it's basically from a result of just a herbicide application. This is what came up, this is what was in the seed bank of the soil. The goal of the landowner here is this is kind of an isolated block of habitat. You can see all the way around this is trees, 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 and trees. This little bit of grass that's here is where the turkeys are bedding, the deer are bedding down. It's bringing in, he's got a couple of quail here. It's bringing those in. If you off to the right, to your right over here is a section of pines that have not been thinned. There's no habitat underneath. It's kind of a biological desert. This is kind of a biological oasis for small birds, ground nesting birds, migratory birds, deer, turkey, game animals. This is a stand of native grasses. Mostly what you see here in the shorter stuff is called broom sedge, Andropogon species. What you see behind me is actually a taller blue stem, not a broom sedge. Broom sedge is the shorter stuff. Blue stem is the taller stuff. Other taller grasses that we have that are native are Indian grass, switchgrass. They'll look a little bit different than this. As you can see behind me that's been burned and where it's much lower, you can see a lot of forbs that are showing up as well. The whole purpose of these grasses are actually the bunch grass is how they grow and have a space underneath for little animals like little quail chicks and little rabbits to run through and be able to escape from predators. When you have a thatch grass or a sod grass, those little animals can't run through that nearly as well to be able to escape their predators. They have better survival on these kind of grasses, and this is more of a natural habitat for them.